Hello everyone, this is Victory. Today it's me on the host once again. In the workshop there is one corrugated, but that is somehow like this kind of shape. We call it somehow like a corrugated wall panel, which is going to test and running in the workshop. Firstly, let's review the line. The basement is we put 500 HB structure, and there is the cutting system, and here is the forming steps. We have combined the 19 rolling stations, and the structure is somehow like casting pillar with gearbox transmission. And we are going to run in the line. Here is the finished product. And here is the feeding table, and we can check how the forming steps. Here is the gearbox. So under this line, the forming speed can reach up to 25 meters per minute. The forming speed, and the thickness for the sheet is good for 0.23 to 0.8. Here is the hydraulic pump. This is the cabinet. And let's check the cutting system once again. Later we will run on the machine to show you how it works.